Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors experience changes in mood and energy with shifting seasons. We're here to discuss seasonal affective disorder, also known as SAD, and why it's important for your well-being. Understanding this condition can transform your mental health, helping you enjoy every season to its fullest. We'll walk you through understanding your body, identifying symptoms, and practical steps to maintain a positive mental outlook. Remember, acknowledging the impact of seasons on your mental health is the first step towards more joyful senior years. SAD is not just about feeling a bit blue in winter. It's a type of depression linked to changes in seasons, especially when daylight hours decrease. Think of it as your body's internal season clock getting a bit offbeat. For seniors, this can mean more than mood shifts. It can affect sleep, appetite, and energy levels. Just like how a plant responds to light, our bodies crave sunlight for essential functions. Understanding SAD helps in recognizing how your environment directly influences your mental health. This knowledge empowers you to anticipate changes and prepare effectively. Recognizing symptoms of SAD is crucial in managing it effectively. Common signs include feeling persistently sad, losing interest in activities, and experiencing changes in sleep and appetite. Does the arrival of autumn leave you feeling withdrawn, or does winter make you crave more carbs? By being vigilant about these shifts, you can better understand your body's signals. It's not about worrying, it's about being proactive. When you notice these patterns, you can seek timely intervention, making seasons more manageable and life more enjoyable. Diet plays a significant role in managing SAD. Begin your day with a balanced breakfast to stabilize energy levels. Incorporate omega-3 rich foods like salmon or flaxseed to boost mood. Increase intake of fresh fruits and vegetables such as spinach, known for their mood-enhancing properties. Opt for complex carbohydrates instead of processed sugars for sustained energy. Preparing meals at regular intervals helps maintain blood sugar levels. Remember, healthy eating can shield you from drastic mood swings, making your day more predictable and enjoyable. Movement is medicine, especially for managing SAD. Gentle exercises such as walking or yoga can enhance your mood. Begin with short sessions, progressively increasing as you feel comfortable. Consider joining a local walking group. It combines exercise with social interaction. Chair exercises are an excellent option for those with mobility issues. The key is regularity, not intensity. By moving a little each day, you can improve circulation, enhance sleep quality, and reduce stress, equipping you better for seasonal changes. Routine medical checkups are vital in managing SAD. Regular consultations with your healthcare provider can help adjust treatment plans based on your symptoms. Don't hesitate to discuss any mental health concerns, as they are as important as physical ones. Your doctor might recommend light therapy or other interventions. Remember, professional guidance ensures you get the support you need. It's crucial to communicate openly with your healthcare team to tailor solutions best suited to your individual needs. Mental health does not exist in isolation. It's intertwined with your social well-being. Engaging in community activities or hobbies can uplift your spirit. Reach out to friends or family, share your feelings, and stay connected. Being socially active can combat the isolation SAD may bring. It's helpful to develop a support network that understands and aids in your journey. Remember, maintaining a positive mindset, even when seasons change, is about embracing relationships that bring joy and comfort. In conclusion, understanding and managing seasonal affective disorder can significantly enhance your quality of life. Take away these key steps, be mindful of seasonal changes, maintain a balanced diet, keep moving, and engage with your community. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider and remain open about your experiences. You possess the wisdom and resilience to tackle SAD effectively. Start with small, manageable steps and watch how they lead to substantial improvements in your well-being. You have the power to enjoy a fulfilling life all year round.